How to access age restricted on Discord. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can access age restricted content on Discord. To do so, first of all, ensure that your Discord account reflects your correct age. If you're under 18, you won't be able to access age restricted servers. First of all, open any web browser on your device and in the search bar type in discord.com. Once you have entered this keyword, press on enter button to search for it. Now within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Discord. Here, you will need to ensure that you are logged in to your account. If not, click on this open Discord at the top right and then use your credentials in order to log in to your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here in this page, at the bottom left, you will be able to see the gear icon. Click on this gear icon and then now you will be presented with this screen. Here at the left side, you will be able to locate different options. Under this user settings section, here look for content and social option and then click on it. By doing so, now you will need to scroll a bit down until you locate this option, allow access to age-restricted servers on iOS. You'll also be able to see the toggle button at the right side of it. Simply click on it and turn it on. This setting affects mobile access as well. Also, if your account shows you are under 18, you can request an age update by submitting a photo ID and a selfie with your Discord username to Discord Trust and Safety team. And after that, you will be able to join age-restricted servers from your mobile device. Also, you'll be able to see the age-restricted commands from apps in direct messages option. If you'd like to turn it on, you can click on the toggle button at the right side of this option and turn it on. So by following these steps, you should be able to access age restricted on Discord. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.